Hello my audio friends. Today we will have a look to my power bar. I'm selling this power bar in an original way or in a modified way. So I will show you this one, and it's so important for your rig to have a good power bar, and nobody thinks about a good power bar and the wiring inside of the power bar. This is very important, and I will show you that in a few seconds. Yeah, here it is. It is called Viborg. Yeah, and it has 8 outlets in very good quality. I will show you this in the description in a few moments. And for me, the most important thing is, here you can read, press pause please, so you can read this. And for me, the most important thing is, I don't like in a power bar a power button, but sometimes it's very good, maybe for your television rig, to shut this off if you hear music, and that's important for good music to shut off the television rig. And oh yeah, here I am here, and this is a good plug here, it's wonderful. But this one here, this fuse is better than every Fuhutech special fuse with I don't know. This way is here the best way for protection, yeah, and it's a magnet fuse, and if it it reacts to overpower, it will snap out here, and you can press it in again, and it's everything fine. And the advantage of this fuse is you will have every time full power. Every fuse with a small thin wire inside, it limits the dynamics, yeah, and this is, for me, it's important to have every time full power and to have all the dynamics. And this fuse, you cannot hear this fuse, okay, and you don't have to change to very expensive fuses and experiment with this. This fuse, and this way is the easiest way to have protection with good sound. Okay, I will open it up and I will show it. So, open up and I will show you this from the inside. Oh, nothing to see. No, that's its protection paper here. You can do it away, and here it is. Oh, so nice. Look at the build quality here. This is very, very good. Yeah? And it's a filter here, all plugs are filtered, and you see here the quality of the wiring. And yeah, here is the power plug and the switch, and the fuse switch is here, yeah. And you see the quality. And for me important, this is solid core, okay, and this is wonderful. And I don't like all those customers and followers know I don't like filtering. And in this original stage for a television set, it's wonderful with the filtering. But for music, I don't like filtering, and I will remove it, or I will give 2 plugs without filtering. And this is my modification to this device. You can buy this device. Write me an email if you need one, and or a modified one. I will say you prices per email, and write me an email. And this is so nice build quality. Look, this is full aluminium, and here you see the thickness, the feet. Yeah, look at this. It's quality checked. Look at this here. Nice parts here, and the sound of this one, I think some power bars use a board here, like this, yeah, and the power has to go to the board, and you see here the thickness of this, of the way for the power. It's not thick enough, okay? So I don't like these power bars with boards or with bad quality metal sheets inside or something like this. Solid core is a way to hear music. I modified this one here, the input and output. It's a special way for me, for better sounding. Very nice views here inside, I said to you. And this complete remove or only 2 without filtering. And that's my way. You can decide and order this from me, yes. Okay, so sound is important for us, and because of this solid core wiring, you have meat to the bones to the music. It never sounds harsh or thin or sometimes or mostly the problems of bad sounding rigs or hard tones or frequency shifts or something like this is bad power, yeah, because you have a bottleneck there inside, and this is for me is a bottleneck. This is for me a bottleneck, and I will remove this and wire it new or in parts new. And then with this original, if you have an power bar from any shop here out there with a normal plug or a normal switch here, yeah, this is sound killer, and this one is extremely good for the price. Okay, so use this in original state. You will say, "Whoa, it's impossible." Or with my modification, you will think you will never use another one. Okay, so this is my video for today with this wonderful Viborg VE80 specification, power distributor, high-end performance audio system. Yeah, solid aluminium, 4 square millimeter. OFC, you know, solid core wire here, yeah, and this is important, yeah, and yeah, it's heavy, and if you plug in your maybe your very heavy cabling, yeah, it cannot be flip over here, yeah, like this. It's very hard. Some other power bars you will plug in a wire here, and the wire is heavier than the power bar, and the power bar will, oh no, this one is 3 kilos, yeah, and it's heavy enough for good wiring. Okay, so call me, write me an email or something else, and I will give you an answer like every time in the comments or everywhere else. So have fun with the music. Bye.